Namaste. Do you frequently suffer from muscular and joint pain? Hi, I'm Vaidya Muskan and today I'm going to talk about a very effective remedy for this, that is Mahanarayana oil. The name Mahanarayan consists of two components, Maha, which means great, and Narayan, which is the name of Lord Vishnu. This name signifies the importance and incredible healing properties of this oil. The benefits of this oil are it improves the blood flow to your muscles and joints, it boosts muscular and joint health, and it helps to induce relaxation to the muscles. Using this is also very easy. Warm the oil, apply it in generous amounts to the part, and leave it on for some time. Whether you suffer from occasional soreness or you want to improve your muscular and joint health, you can use this in your routine. So, what are you waiting for? Grab it from the link below.